Hello guys, this is Odyssey Honda 2007. It's right now I'm having the problem with the engine code is P2646. It's about the variable timing control solenoid, and this is located all over here. You see right there. Yeah, right there. I just remove it. It's had a couple wire in here and a couple holes there. It's located right there, right? And this is the part. I just took it apart, and this is, let's see, it's like this. All right. It had a gasket. It had a gasket right here. One, and remove it. It has like 3 screws. One here, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And the sensor. The number is here. 49900. Okay, so I try to change all the gasket and clean it and put it back, because this part is cost around over $600 at the auto parts zone, and I mean at the AutoZone, and at dealer it's cost the same price. Okay, so it's too much for this part, so I try to clean it and change the gasket to see like it's work, and if not, I had to buy the whole thing. Okay, so this is inside the gasket. Alright, you gotta buy this gasket and this gasket. It's cost me maybe about $20 only. And I put it back on and try to reset the code, to see if I can save some money on this part. Okay guys, okay guys, I just bought a new gasket. This is aftermarket part I bought from Odyssey. I couldn't find it in at AutoZone store. This cost me like around $21, so luckily I found it. Okay, it's very hard to find this gasket. Alright, I'm gonna replace the gasket. And one more thing, on the top of this part, there's a solenoid. I don't know what it's called, but I just took it out with a screw, and then I just want to spray and clean it. Alright, and you know what guys, this switch, I was trying to buy a new switch, and they told me like this would cost like over $300 for this, just for this switch. So I decided just clean it and put it back. So you can break part cleaner to spray it. Okay, but for the connection I use this to clean it. I try to clean everything and put back together. Hopefully it's work, just save some money. Okay guys, okay, now we'll pack this sensor in and a screw, and I just put a new gasket. Okay, and here too, and this is like pretty worn out. Alright, then put everything together. Put this switch back in here. This is the 10mm. Okay, and I just put a new gasket here and here. This gasket is kind of like become hardened. Okay, put it back. 3 screw using 10mm. Okay, and tie it up. Okay, I tied up all the screw, gasket, and the switch back in. So clean everything. So let's put it back in. Okay, it has screw here, 1 2 3. All right, 10 millimeter. See if this work out. I just put the solenoid back in, which I tighten all the screw and put the squeak, the connector back here. Okay, right here and right here I tied up. Alright, it is a pretty tight space. In order to do that, you had to like remove, this stuff. This is called evap sensor. You had to screw on front and the bottom, top and bottom. Okay, and take out a couple of holes, a few holes here, this hose. Alright, to make room. And this hole to make room. This hole. Alright, to make room. And just a little bit tight here. Okay, not too hard. Okay guys, I just reset the code and it's not been clear for good.